In this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Instagram Music not showing all the songs. So step by step in the easiest way possible. So let's get started, guys. First of all, open up the Instagram. So if you are not able to find all the songs in Instagram Music while uploading or all that stuff, so one of the main reason for this is you are on a professional account with professional dashboard, so you would have to switch to a personal account. And to do that, remember, this is the first reason. You can also check out the second step that I would show you, and see if it works for you. So tap on those three lines on the top right. Now scroll down, tap on created tools and controls, and then you would have to tap on switch account type, and then tap on switch to personal account, then hit switch to personal account again, and now your profile would be refreshed and you would be able to find those songs. But if this doesn't work for you, you can follow the second step, that is going into the settings of your phone and then going to the general. Now scroll down all the way and then tap on VPN and device management, and you would have to make sure that none of the VPN is connected to your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, because in some cases some songs are restricted in some regions, so it might affect you, that how you're seeing the songs in your Instagram Music. So if this video if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.